I need to block this mic first before I start. When I told you guys that you can get coins, you can make money for sitting on any of these seats as long as it's a party, you can make money. Most persons say, oh, Sonia, you are lying. You are this. You can make money from sitting in a party. The only problem that you have is that you're not patient enough. You just want to be in a hurry. And sorry, Poppo is not for those people that want to be in a hurry when it comes to making money on Poppo. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. This is a party right now, and currently you can see all these persons here on this party are making money. This is a guy, this immortal is a guy, and he's sitting here and he's still making money. So with this logo that you guys are seeing, you guys automatically know that all this same logo belongs to one agency. This is the host, the one I just muted his mic. I don't know why my network is misbehaving. That is why this thing is not going fast. So on sitting on anybody's party, if something is happening there, you are going to make money. Take, for example, Miss Dijon has made over 178K. Only God knows how many hours she has been sitting here. And for this 178K, 100,000 coins is $10. Let me say the extra 70 something thousand is like $7 plus. That means she has made over 17,000 coins and dollars. Okay, $17. Then this other boy, Immortal, has made up to $1. What's the person's name? This Angela, or is Angel Duke, she has made over $2. You guys can see, because for every 10K coins, Poppo is going to give you $1. And this is the good part that if you don't understand when it comes to Poppo party. If you're sitting here, you can also do well to collect all your coins from treasure box. You can see that right now I am not sitting on this place because I know that if I'm sitting here, automatically I cannot do this voice record, this screen record that I'm doing now. They will mute my mic, and I don't want my mic to be muted. So that's why I did not sit. So you can see this treasure boss doing countdown. Once the treasure boss is done doing his countdown, you can also receive your coins from the treasure boss. And all the coins are going to be accumulated where you're seeing this 2,514. If I want to exchange with these coins, I can just go back and sit in this vacant seat and then tell them that, oh, I have 2,000 something coins. Who is willing to exchange? You receive people that say, okay, send it to me. I send it to you. And then it will be added to your revenue. Then another thing is you can also gamble. But I always advise you, learn how to do things first. So you don't just go and carry all your coins. Someone dropped a comment in my comment box that he lost all his coins because he was gambling and winning. And you see, the moment you keep gambling and winning and you still continue to just keep doing gamble, you will, at the end of everything, you will lose everything. How many coins have I gotten? I've gotten 40 coins. Then I'm going to check now. You can see that the coins will be added to this place. So there are a lot of things for you to do here, for you to make money when it comes to party. So it's not just all about us going to party, performing your tax, and then you leave. After performing your tax, you can also still stay there so that you can make more money. Especially when it comes to your agency should be able to provide you with a good, with a very, very good platform whereby you can be able to sit on their seat, they can be able to gamble, they can be able to do different activities. Okay, so yes, party, you can make money. There are a lot of things that you can do when you're sitting in your party to make money on your Poppo live stream. From this same party, you can even still sit here at the same time. Once you see all these your fireworks messages, you click on your fireworks messages, then you go and receive your fireworks. Try as much as possible to collect all your coins from your treasure box. Is that too big to ask? So I don't know why some of you are saying, Sonia, we are not making money from party. You say we can make money from party. How do we make money from party? All of these people sitting down here, they're not waiting, they won't gain. That's why they're sitting down here. I don't know why my network is hanging all the messages. That's why this messages is not going up and down. My network is just hanging all the messages. So I don't know. Try as much as possible to spend time when it comes to your party. Okay? The more you spend time in your party, the more you are going to be gaining. And let me just tell you something. To be honest, if you're going to any party and then you're seeing that nothing is happening there, leave that party and go to another party. Party plenty. Now my network now, no just understand my network. If one party is not working, make another one work out for you. Like this party now, you can see that obviously people that are sitting on this party are just performing their tax. Then you go to another party. When you go to this, you can see plenty parties here. People are opening, thousands of people are opening parties every day. So you don't need to limit yourself sitting in one place and waiting for just one person. After you're done performing your tax, go and start searching for party that you're going to be sitting, and then you're going to be making your money. Okay? That's what I advise. Other thing again I advise you to do is, in as much as you're sitting on anybody's party, even if it's 1 or 2 coins that you have, even if you don't have anything, at least just throw it as gamble. Throw it, let the person know that okay, this person is active. Next time when they come the person sits, if something is happening, the person will not even mind to just drop someone for you to come in. But some of you just go to someone's party, you cannot even say hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. You just go there and sit down. Are you sitting there as per president? Oh, I don't understand. At least once you get to people's party, you at least greet that person, greet the owner of the party, and then if you have 1 or 2, you just drop. Even if you don't have, at least that greeting must have established relationship. Then start asking people some of the questions you are confused on Poppo and the rest of that. You must not always wait for Vibe with Sonia to reply your answer. Some persons dropped me comment. They said, oh, it's Vibe with Sonia, we've chat you up, or we've chat you up on Instagram, because my Instagram handle is Vibe with Sonia. We've chat you up on Instagram, you are not responding, you are not doing this. I have a lot of comments to respond to, and I'm trying my best. But at least if you go to all these parties, sit down this party where you get to interact with people, you get to also ask questions, you get to also know what you are going to do. I just hope this is a bit understanding to some of us, so you can make money seriously on sitting on your party. Just try it now and thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.